Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT widget on Honor 90. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And you can skip this introduction, and now you have to click open permissions, and you have to allow this application to draw over other apps, and then click back and then click back again. And now you can click start, and as you can see, here is your Chat GPT widget. You can click on him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him, just drag him into the X icon in the middle of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.